Welcome to this training session about the Tapestry Web Framework. During this training, I will tackle you about some concepts available in the Tapestry framework. With the theoretical and practical different parts of this training, you will be able to create your own web application and use for the best the various mechanisms provided by the framework. Here is the training plan. We will first begin with an overview of the framework, the components and pages concepts, the request processing model, the lifecycle concept, and to finish, how to install and configure a Tapestry application. Then, we will see some basic mechanisms, how to write a template, how to write a unit test for your Tapestry application. Finally, we will use for the first time some basic Tapestry components, for example, the action link or the form. In the third section, I will show you some advanced components, the bin form, the grid, and the bin model, which are rich and easy to use components. For example, the grid component will allow us to display a list of data. The bin model will be useful for customizing a bin form or a grid. In the last part, we will focus on some advanced mechanisms proposed by the framework, which will allow us to broaden the functionality of Tapestry. We will see how can we add our own validator. In the next slide, we will see that Tapestry has its own validators, very useful for validating a form, but we can also create our own. We will see how can we support new type. We will create, use and customize our own components. We will see how to manage assets. An asset is just a static resource like a JavaScript file, CSS style sheet or a picture. And the last part will introduce you to the service and inversion of control mechanism.